So if you're not familiar with my M3 that I'm sitting in right now, this is my 2016 BMW F80 M3. Just got it less than 6 months ago, and we already have our first issue. Well, I guess you could say our second issue. My first issue was the gas cap. That was crazy. Kind of a little funny story. I picked this car up out of town like 5 hours away in Las Vegas, Nevada. On the drive home, in the middle of nowhere, I had to get gas, and I found out that the gas cap was stuck closed. All right, first fill up. How do you open this? I don't know. I'm so confused. Dude. It was definitely a mission and scary. We kind of had to risk it driving home. That was our first issue. Less than 6 hours in ownership. Some months down the line, I think we have our second issue with the M3. Now I heard from multiple F8X owners that this is a very common issue, especially around my mileage. My mileage right now is about 58,000, so approaching 59,000 miles on the M3. It does not sound good. I'll show you guys literally in like a couple seconds. All right, so you can kind of hear it right now. It's kind of doing it mildly. Can you guys hear it already? I'm gonna try to get close. I don't know. You guys hear that? It's like a very high-pitched squeal. Yeah, bro. That is honestly driving me insane. But this just started a couple days ago. But damn, look at the M3 though. It looks so good. Past videos, we did the headlights, the snake eye headlights, and then also triple chromed stock wheels, which might be leaving today. I know that sounds crazy. You guys are gonna hate me, but we might be getting rid of these today. Might. I came up on a good deal. I couldn't pass up. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear that. It's just a high-pitched squeal. That high-pitched squeak is a PCV issue. So basically, it's the valve cover. I guess the PCV system is built into the whole entire valve cover. So to fix that, you have to buy a complete different valve cover, which I just ordered. It was about, I think like 700, around 700 bucks. So here's the order. Got it off of FCP Euro, like I said. As you can see, engine valve cover cost me $745.87. So it's just kind of embarrassing to drive, because obviously when you're driving, you stop at a stoplight, you hear this just loud squeak. Yeah, that squeak is so annoying. Definitely gonna fix that soon. I mean, every car has issues, you know what I mean? Kind of sucks, you know, since I barely got this car, but I feel like the good thing is, you know, whenever anything happens to my cars, yes, it sucks. At the good time, I kind of switched that like perspective, and I'm like, you know what? Jumped into the Euro scene, you know, BMWs, because I want to learn more about them. Doing this install is only a learning curve, you know what I mean? Or whatever happens to the car, it's only a learning experience for me. You know, I get to learn how to fix the car, work on the car. One thing I don't like is driving a car and not knowing how to fix it. I like to know what is going on, you know, how to change certain things, you know, if it were to go bad. That's how I feel like with like the FRS and BRZs, you know, like I've fixed those cars so much already. If something were to go wrong, I know what to fix or what to do, you know what I mean? So it's important. I feel like just changing your perspective. Like, yes, they're car problems. I know a lot of you guys watching this video probably have car problems, or you know, in the future are gonna have car problems. So I feel like it's a good thing, you know, like if you like working on cars, it's a good learning curve. You know, when you fix your car one time, whatever it is, you pretty much know how to do it forever. Kind of did hurt the wallet a little bit, 700 bucks for a valve cover, but it's all good, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Damn, I feel attacked. This shirt says anti-influencer club. That's how I'm trying to be when I get old. Chilling. Passing by, I definitely hear like a lot of people are like, yo, like the chrome wheels are nice. So it's cool you guys are messing with the chrome stocks. Iffy on it at first, you know, if it was gonna come out good, but it actually came out good. Also the headlights, I hear a lot of people talk about the headlights. It's funny that I just see Jake's car here, because we are actually trading on this. We're actually gonna be trading wheels later today. So he's gonna be getting my stock 437Ms, and I'm gonna be putting this on my F80. It's funny how I just saw this pulling up, because I literally just got here. But yeah, we're throwing the TEs on the F80. Dude, my girl wants one of these, literally exactly like this. I think she wants a sunroof though. But bro, she wants one of these so bad. Should I do it? Should I get her this car or no? This little Shelby? Damn, I miss my Mustang. I feel like whenever I don't have my Mustang on me, I miss it. But super nice, bro. GT350, got another one. I love this color. This is a 500. Wow. It's a nice color. It's like a gray, but it's like blue at the same time. Like, it's straight money here, bro. Honestly, I don't really come to this like Cars and Coffee lot because I feel like everybody films this Cars and Coffee. So I feel you guys see it all the time. That's why I don't like really filming everything. I'm just pointing out the stuff that I like, but yeah, I feel like everybody just films it on YouTube. I feel like it's gonna be like repetitive and stuff, but yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I think is cool here. Damn. Did you take Lambo or GT3 RS?
RS all day.
Really? I might have to do Lambo to be honest, bro. I don't know.
SVJ.
Yeah.
SVJ, yeah.
God damn, bro. That turbo's big.
God damn.
Straight K-swap. Guys, trust me, I'm gonna get another FRS or a BRZ or 86, whatever it is, and I'm gonna swap it, bro. Like, take the F80 out, I'm gonna put a freaking different motor in it. I have to. This is crazy. Bro, I thought my Mustang wheels were big. Bro, look at this. Jeez. How wide is that tire?
They're 600.
600s? Bro, that's like 4 of mine. On the way.
Nick.
Appreciate that. You just collect these? Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Pass them around.
Thank you, man. Guys, this dude gave me stickers.
Live him, let's go.
We're gonna put him on Nick's car. Now we gotta put one somewhere where like he's never gonna see it, but like we're gonna see it like whenever we see him. You know what I mean?
By the wing.
Like under the wing,
back,
under the wing.
Which one? The Mustang. Oh, that's 34, that's 34.
I'll just do like the weird one, bro. Like
This one?
like right on top of the window.
I like that.
Bro, he's not gonna see that, bro. How long is it gonna take for him to notice that?
What's that? What? What? You put a sticker on.
It's our next victim. That's crazy, dude. Our next victim is Fresh Kicks. I got Fresh Kicks Z. Where'd you do it? I can see it, bro. That's wild.
Where do you put it?
Bro, I feel like he saw it, but I don't know. I don't want to look. Oh, he did it? Oh, okay. Yo, I just noticed it. Look at the freaking plate on this thing. Like the Mustang, bro. M3 BBL, bro. That's hilarious. Just like the BBL plate, I got the Mustang. Sick though, Ruby Star. That's how you know you're in Irvine or OC. It's got G-Wagons everywhere. And just a Lamborghini just casually chilling at Jamba Juice. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but we are switching wheels with Jake. Now you guys will see soon. He has the white M4. I've showed it in I think a couple times in my older videos. He is getting my stock chrome wheels, and I'm getting his wheels, and they're also triple chrome. So it's gonna be same look, but a little bit different. I feel like you guys are gonna hate me, bro, because of the specific wheel that we're trading with, or that I'm getting. I already know it. I'm mentally preparing myself, but it'll look good. But I have to say, I'm sorry, guys. We had to do it. Bro, Nick has yet to see the little sticker that we put on his freaking rear window. I can see, I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but bro, how much you want to bet that sticker's gonna be there for a long time? He's not gonna notice that. Bro, I freaking broke my M3 already.
Right now?
You hear the squeaky noise?
I did hear something.
It's my valve cover. Has that ever happened to your F80? Yeah. Has it ever happened to your F80?
That?
Yeah.
There's an animal in there. A cat in here?
A cat?
Or something.
That's annoying, bro. I don't want to. It's like
Really?
embarrassing. Yeah.
I think there's really a cat.
Bro, that's fair.
Where?
Yeah, man. It's the last day with the freaking chrome 437s, bro. It's gonna look similar, obviously, because they're the same exact finish. They're both triple chrome. So it's not like I'm going with like a different color, but we're just gonna downsize. So these are 19s, and then the new TEs I'm putting on, they're 18s. So it's gonna be much lower. Look the same, but a little different. There's a donor car right here. Here they are, guys. Damn.
That shit's really packing, bro.
Just told the vlog we're switching. You excited or no? You nervous? Nervous?
Yes.
I am too. I don't know how it's gonna look on my car. 18s, 18s.
Did you tell everybody?
Sick. Huh?
You told everyone what you're doing?
Yeah.
Tees are fire. I feel like tees look so good on F80s. And in chrome. Damn. I'm surprised Jake is willing to trade.
I had chrome tees for so long, bro.
I know.
Had them for over a year. My last set, and then I just got this set. Had them like a few months.
Nah, Chris's car's gonna look crazy with them on the fan black. Damn, he looks sick with the Toyos too. Sheesh.
Oh, you're filming me. What the heck?
What? Sorry.
I'm trying to find my camera. There you go.
But I love the Toyo tires.
Yeah.
Arch plates, they're so good.
They're so clean. They're like the best looking tire. I have them on the Corvette, and you can just hear the whole time.
Bro, I love the Corvette.
I know.
Oh, there you go.
You need to drive it again. Oh, that was way louder. I put the exhaust on yesterday. Tuesday, I drove off to get cammed.
Already?
Yeah, so once it's done, you gotta drive it.
Yeah, Go to
again.
your house again.
The wheels and tires are all the same? What are the specs, G?
That's Chris.
What are the specs, G?
That 10 is gonna be tight. You got a 10 or you need to run like a 5 or a 3, like.
It's hitting.
It's hitting?
Yeah.
How is
Is it
yours
all
not
the-
hitting? It's not fitting, boss.
Try it with this spacer. Try it with this spacer.
What's it hitting? The suspension?
Yeah.
What's wrong, Chris?
Fitment things, guys. It's the most important thing in your car.
I say you just go some crazy negative
If
camera.
anything, I mean, I can change it.
Need your help, Paulo.
No, it's good. It's good. This will fit. This will be good.
Barely, bro.
Barely with a 10. That's good. That's perfect. That's gonna be perfect for me.
I'm the worst cameraman. Why, man?
That's chilling.
What do you think?
Sweating already.
Take off your shirt. Bro, it looks pretty sick. Not bad. Let's see it on the floor though.
All right, you want to see Jake's car? So we swapped wheels, like I said, and check it out. Look at his M4 with the chrome stocks. Bro, it looks so good. Cause he's on BC Extreme lows, and he has his car dumped. Like his car is freaking low. Dude, this dude is literally tucking almost the whole tire. His car damn near looks aired out, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, man, my old wheels with the new owner. You guys can follow him too. Daily F82. Damn. Big old plane, but yeah, man. Crazy. What you guys think? I have JRZs on my car. I know it sounds crazy, but I thought about getting BC Extreme lows just so I could have camber plates on the front, because he was saying that his coils have camber plates. And literally, I could buy camber plates, but they're like $700-800 bucks. Or I could just buy a brand new set of BC coils for like, I don't know, 1,000, maybe 1,200. So just a couple more hundred, I can get a whole set of coils with camber plates. I feel like that's like more worth it in my opinion. I think I'm gonna get some BCs, bro. Just so I can have some camber plates. Yeah, looks good though.
Looks good.
Look aired out,
I
bro.
need smaller tires, bro. Cause look at the side skirt. Look how high it is.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get probably 255, 30, and then put the 275s in the rear.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That shit'll like.
Yeah, you'll be hella low. I don't know. So far, so good though. It looks good. Alright y'all, this wheel setup is looking hot, dude, on the 18. So I got the fitment pretty much dialed in, spacers on, lowered it, and it looks freaking good. You guys ready to see it? I know you guys are gonna hate me for running freaking TE37s again. I know we got TEs on the WRX, but dude, I just couldn't resist, bro. But I got it right here, and man, does it look good. Check it out. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is fitted now. I think the fact how it has R888s, the Toyos, it just makes it so much better as well. Like this thing is fitted now. So I don't think I mentioned it yet, but the wheels are 18 by 10 plus 25 squared, all four corners, running 10mm spacers in the front, and also in the rear I threw on a 10mm spacer, and I also lowered it too. So fitment is pretty much dialed in, like it's literally perfect. I love how it just like matches like the arch of the fender. Fitment is, I think, spot on. And also we throw on the chrome plate as well to match the wheels. Yeah, this thing is looking so good. Yeah, I had to lower the rears quite a bit once I put the spacer on because it was still a gap. So once I got that dialed in, it pretty much, I mean, damn, it just looks amazing in my opinion. Never knew I would like 18 so much on these cars. I was always afraid that it was gonna look too small, You know, like certain cars, I feel like certain wheel sizes look too small, and the F80 is one of them. I was afraid, you know, if I were to downsize from 19s, I feel like it would look too small. But honestly, with a big tire like this, I think it looks amazing, man. Like, it looks really, really good. Fitment is so good, bro. It's just like a nice track setup. I don't know how else to say it, man. It's just perfect. It doesn't rub. Actually, I think on like massive bumps on the freeway, it'll just scrub like a little bit in the rear. But other than that, no rubbing. Everything drives good, feels good. Yeah, man. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I know you guys are gonna hate me, bro. Another set of TEs. Every YouTuber does TEs. Every build on Instagram has TEs. But it's like, I don't know, bro. You can't run away from the TE 37-inch. Like, once you do TEs on one car, it's just like you can't like stop. Who knows? I don't know if this is gonna be like a forever setup. Maybe it's a temporary, I don't know. But I know a lot of you guys are gonna enjoy this phase on the car, because you just simply can't go wrong with TE 37s, especially triple chrome with the frozen black paint we have in the car. Such a good contrast. So after looking at the car for a while with this wheel setup on, I feel like there's just some stuff that I need to change really bad, and that's with the rear end. I feel like the whole rear end just looks very, very, very plain. Nothing crazy, but definitely needs like a carbon duck bill and then also a diffuser. I don't know, just this area just looks very bland and plain to me. It just needs to look somewhat different. A lot of you guys have been saying clear tails. I'm not too sure how clear tails will look on this car. I kind of get the vibe of like base model with when I see like F80s with clear tails on. But I don't know, I've been thinking about that too. Comment down below, what are some suggestions you guys want to see? But definitely we got to work on the rear end sometime soon. But yeah, so far so good, man. I just want to show you guys, you know, the new wheel setup with the F80, how it's sitting currently. Kind of just walk around, give you all the angles. I think this is my favorite angle though. Like, just you see the wide, like the wide hips. Next video or the video after that, I'm gonna be working on this thing, fixing that squeal that I mentioned earlier on in the video. I'm excited, man, to just kind of get my hands on it, working on a European car. You know, my first experiencing messing with removing the bumper and the headlights was kind of a lot. It was definitely a learning experience, so I'm excited to like just dive more into the build and get my hands dirty with the M3. So that video is coming very soon. It's kind of crazy how this, you know, is a common issue, and it's found in cars literally that hit 60,000 miles. It's kind of wild to say because I'm literally at that 60,000 mile mark. It's weird. It's like BMW has a timer on their cars. Pretty weird, but yeah, man. Hope you guys are enjoying the M3 content so far. Smash the like button and comment down below what you think and what are some suggestions for the rear end, because I definitely want to add stuff.